Hello everyone! Today, let's crochet this adorable little cat together. For this project, I'll be using cream-colored and brown plush yarn, along with a 2.5mm crochet hook. First, make a magic ring using the cream-colored yarn. Work 7 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Once you've finished, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Round 2. Work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. For the first stitch, crochet into the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. At the end of the round, you'll have a total of 14 stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Round 3. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. When finished, you'll have 21 stitches. Round 4. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Work 2 single crochets into the second stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this pattern around the round. At the end, you'll have 28 stitches. Rounds 5 to 7. Work 28 single crochets in each round. Repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Round 8. Make 1 single crochet in each of the first 5 stitches. Then make 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern around. You'll end up with 24 stitches. Round 9. Work 12 decreases around the round. You'll have 12 stitches remaining. Round 10. Each stitch has a front loop and a back loop. For this round, we'll crochet into the back loops only. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this sequence one more time. Make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. For the next 4 stitches, work an increase in each stitch. Remember, we're still working in the back loops only. For the last 4 stitches, repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this sequence twice. At the end of the round, you'll have 20 stitches. Round 11. Work 1 single crochet in each of the first 6 stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then work 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 3 more times. For the last 6 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You'll have 24 stitches total. Rounds 12-13. Work 24 single crochets around in each round. Repeat for 2 rounds. Round 14. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then make 1 decrease. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around. You'll have 18 stitches. Round 15. Make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern around. You'll finish with 12 stitches. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Now stuff the body with fiber fill. Once it's stuffed, sew the opening closed. When sewing, insert your needle through the front loops only. Skip 1 stitch and insert the needle into the next stitch. Repeat all the way around. Pull the yarn tight, weave in the end, and trim off any excess yarn. And that's it! The cat's body is finished. Next, let's make the ears. Using brown yarn, chain 3. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. Finally, make a slip stitch into the same stitch where you started and cut the yarn. Make a second ear the same way. Now let's crochet the tail. Using brown yarn, create a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Round 2. Change to the cream-colored yarn. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 6 stitches. Rounds 3 to 6. Repeat round 2. Work 6 single crochets in each round. Repeat for 4 rounds. When finished, cut the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Now sew the ears and tail onto the body. Use embroidery thread or yarn to stitch the eyes and nose. And that's it! Your cute little crochet cat is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun making your own. Don't forget to follow my channel for more crochet tutorials and new projects.